Hello everyone. For this assignment, we have to make a video where we explain what was our biggest success or contribution to our organization this term. How did we accomplish it, and would we have done anything differently? Why or why not? And we need to provide examples for that. Okay. So, hello everyone. My name is Media Alawi Ismaili, and during forecasting risk and performance measurement. So one of my primary responsibilities was supporting the upload and implementation of the finalized AOP into our enterprise system, and we use GP and SBase as ERP systems. This might sound very technical. It was critical because this system drive all the financial reporting, forecasting, and management dashboard throughout the year. So I ensured that budget figures tie precisely between the two systems through detailed reconciliations across accounts, entities, and reporting structures. During this process, I identified and resolved mapping inconsistencies that could have created reporting variances later in the year. By validating data early on, leadership gained confidence that budget to actual comparison and forecast would be reliable. So another key contribution was introducing a structured hedge within the forecast adjustment branch. So instead of embedding uncertainty directly into the baseline projections, I helped separate the forecast risks from the expected performance. This allowed leadership to clearly see potential downside exposure while maintaining transparency in operational assumption. As a result, decision makers were able to evaluate scenarios more effectively and understand where risk existed early in the year. So I accomplished this success by combining technical skills, prior professional experiences, and cross-functional collaboration. So before this internship, I worked as a director of finance in a privately held company, which gave me insight into how financial statements interact and how reporting structure can influence business decision. So it also gave me that overall view, which big entities lacks because they have so many personnel and each one of them is very niche in what they're doing. They don't see how their own part interact with other people's part while I was managing the entire holding in my previous experience by myself. So I applied that experience with working with a newly acquired company, operating across multiple entities. I helped flag areas where reporting definition and financial flows could create inconsistencies across the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. So this helps streamline reporting and improved alignment across entities. Additionally, I collaborated closely with operational and leadership teams while developing a new productivity metrics and redefining how new business could be measured across the entities. Rather than simply analyzing numbers, I participated in shaping definition behind the metrics, ensuring they were both operational, meaningful, and financially accurate. Strong communication, attention to detail, and validating assumption with stakeholder were key factors in successfully completing these initiatives. What I would do differently is if I could approach this experience differently, I would have involved stakeholders early on in the discussion around metric definition and reporting changes. While the outcome were successful, I learned that early alignment reduces later revision and helps stakeholders feel more ownership onto the final product. I would also spend more time into documenting assumption and decision logic upfront. Doing so would make future update easier and improve knowledge transfer across teams, especially in a fast-moving FP&A environment where models evolve frequently. Overall, this experience showed me that finance is not just reporting results, but about enabling better decisions. My bigger contribution was helping strengthen the reliability, transparency, and usability of financial information used by leadership. So that would be all for this assignment. Also, I don't have a webcam. I'm using my tower for this assignment, so I'm sorry for that. Thank you.